Welcome to welcome to the Harbor and Airport Engineering. Uh, Windrose diagram. The figure shown is Windrose diagram. What is Windrose diagram and why it is very necessary? The three wind characteristics, namely direction, duration, it means frequency, and intensity, it means speed, can be graphically represented by a diagram known as a wind road. ફર્સ્ટ આપણે જોઈએ પહેલું સર્કલ કે જે આપણા કંપાસનું હોઈ શકે છે જેમાં ડાયરેક્શન સાઉથ વેસ્ટ નોર્થ અને ઈસ્ટ બરાબર એની પૂરક સાઈઝો વેસ્ટ નોર્થ નોર્થ ઈસ્ટ સાઉથ ઈસ્ટ અને સાઉથ વેસ્ટ બરાબર આ આપણું કંઈક સેન્ટર પોઈન્ટ છે આ બધા જે અનઇવન ફેક્ટર્સ અથવા લાઇન્સ દેખાઈ રહી છે એ વિન્ડની વેલોસિટી ઇન્ટેન્સિટી એન્ડ ફ્રીક્વન્સી દર્શાઈ રહ્યા છે કે જેના ઉપરથી આ નક્કી કરવામાં આવતું હોય છે generally wind data for a period of at least 5 years should be collected to obtain an average data with sufficient accuracy. Figures show the wind road diagram. As I say, in this figure the radial indicate the wind direction and each circle represent the duration, okay, of the wind. The irregular lines show the intensity of the wind. Okay, for example, point mark A in the diagram represent a wind with speed equal to or exceeding 10 km per hour, blowing for 8% of time in a year for the southeast direction. Let us check. Southeast direction, point A, 10 km per hour. Okay, windrose diagram એ દરિયાની windrose diagram એ દરિયામાં પાણી ઉપર અવર જવર માટે નક્કી કરવામાં આવે છે કે જેથી આપણે પર્ટિક્યુલર ટાઈમમાં જ્યારે વિન્ડ પ્રેશર અથવા કોઈ સ્ટોર્મ કોઈ આફત ના હોય એવા ટાઈમમાં આપણે જઈ શકીએ એટલે દર 5 વર્ષે એના રીડિંગ્સ લેવામાં આવે છે એ રીડિંગના બેઝ ઉપર ફ્યુચર નક્કી કરી કે ભાઈ લાસ્ટ 5 વર્ષ જાન્યુઆરીમાં આ ટાઈપની વિન્ડ હતી તો આ વખતે પણ એવી જ વિન્ડ હશે એવું એઝ્યુમ કરી અને જાન્યુઆરીમાં જો ઓકે હોય તો આપણે જઈ શકીએ એ જ રીતે ફેબ્રુઆરી માર્ચ એપ્રિલ અલગ અલગ ટાઈમ માટે અલગ અલગ રીડિંગ્સ લેવામાં આવે છે અને એ રીડિંગ્સના હિસાબે આ વિન્ડ રોલ ડિસાઇડ કરવામાં આવતો હોય છે શું કહે છે ફોર્સ ડ્યુ ટુ વિન્ડ એક એક્ઝામ્પલ જેવું છે the intensity of a pressure due to the wind varies with the square of the velocity. P is equal to CV square. P is equal to wind pressure intensity kilogram per meter square ma. C is equal to a constant, its value is 0.00481. V is equal to wind velocity kilometer per hour ma. The total wind force is given by F is equal to Ks into P into A. F is equal to total wind force kilogram. P, as already mentioned, is upper wind pressure kg per meter square. A, area of the exposed surface in meter square. Ks is equal to A shape factor of the structure. The value of the shape factor Ks usually varies from 1.3 to 1.6 value. Ks for some of the structure are given in table 3.2 values of shape factor. The values are given for different cases. The KS value is taken for low flat surface of a ship or dock. It is 1.3. Sides of buildings 1.5. Beam 1.5. Beam is also a part of a building, so 1.5. Cylinder is 0.5. Okay. Now the figure indicate wind force on an inclined member. The wind force of the inclined member may be expressed as F is equal to Ks into C into V cos alpha into square into A. Alpha is equal to the angle between 90, 90 degree of the object and the velocity. Wave. Water wave are greater. Water wave are generated by transfer of energy from air moving the water surface. These are the periodic undulation of the sea surface. These are the bottom. The wave behave like this type. The distance between two upward waves is L, and the height from bottom to height is equal to H. Topmost is a crest and bottommost is a straw. Causes of sea waves: wind, revolution of the earth, gravitational force of the moon and sun, earthquake, landslide on seashore, etc. Types of sea waves: deep sea waves, shallow sea waves, oscillatory sea wave, translatory waves, capillary waves or ripples. There are some definitions: surface, the low height and long wave produced by wind are called surf. In Western countries, tourists play skilly by long plank or this wave. Surges, the wave produced by cyclone are very strong and powerful and known as surges. Tsunami, the wave produced by the eruption of volcano or earthquake at the bed of sea are called tsunami. Characteristics of wave. The highest point of wave is called crest. The lowest point of wave is called trough. The distance between two successive crests is called wavelength, symbol L. The vertical distance from the crest to the trough is called height H. The time taken for a wave to travel a distance of one wavelength to another called wave period T. The reciprocal of T is called the wave frequency F. F is equal to 1 upon T. The velocity of wave is equal to V is equal to L upon T. Angular frequency of wave omega is equal to 2 pi by T. Waveform and generation. First, oscillatory waves. These are an unbroken wave traveling in deep water and remain oscillatory. Second one is translatory waves. The oscillatory wave reach shallow water. They break and travel as a translatory. wave to the shore, solitary waves. These waves travel without any depression below till level. Tidal bores, the oscillatory wave from and its characteristics are shown in figure. We can show a figure in which the starting point of a wave is like a circle moving around simultaneously, similar to a one portion to another portion of that circle, and it's also behave like a that shape generated in a wave. H wave height, H0, A D water depth, through crest, direction of wave propagation, water particles, oscillating surface, till water level, deep water waves greater than L by 2 for shallow water waves, D less than L by 2, where H0 is equal to A minus H by 2. Okay. In next lecture, we are going to conduct determination of wave velocity, fetching, wave height, and wave length, and respective example for this same.